Are you scared to talk to someone on a phone call in English? Do you want to practice with real people but don't know how to start? Hi, I'm Neha, and welcome back to Toon Talk English, your favorite place to learn English naturally, one story at a time. How are you today? I hope you're feeling great and ready to speak with me. Today is day 7, the final day of our shadowing practice series. If you haven't seen the last 6 days, go and check them out after this video. We've practiced how to talk in daily life, from morning routines to casual chats and everyday situations. And now it's time for something special. Today, I'm going to talk to Sam, a new friend I've never spoken to before. We're meeting online, just like people do on HelloTalk, Speaky, or Zoom. We'll introduce ourselves, ask questions, and practice real conversation English together. So, are you ready to shadow a full phone call with me? Let's begin. Hi, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. How are you doing today?
I'm good, thanks. I'm a little nervous because this is my first time doing a phone call conversation like this.
Don't worry, Neha. I feel the same. It's a little scary, but it's a great way to practice English.
Yes, exactly. Since this is our first time talking, would you mind introducing yourself? Like your name, where you live, what you do?
Of course. My name is Sam. I live in Toronto, Canada. I'm a university student studying computer science. In my free time, I enjoy playing football, watching movies, and sometimes cooking new recipes I find on YouTube.
That sounds fun. I'm Neha from Mumbai, India. I'm currently in high school. I really love reading books and listening to music when I have some free time.
Nice to meet you, Neha. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like novels and stories about friendship and adventure. Sometimes I read English books to improve my skills.
That's great. Reading helps a lot with vocabulary. How long have you been studying English?
I've been learning English for about 1.5 years now, since I started in high school.
I've been learning for about 1 year. Sometimes I find it hard to speak English confidently, especially on calls like this.
I understand. Speaking on the phone is different from texting or chatting online. It takes practice.
Exactly. That's why calls like this are so helpful.
So, what do you usually do to practice your English?
I mostly practice by chatting with friends online and watching English with subtitles, but I want to improve my speaking skills more.
That's a good idea. I try to speak with friends whenever I can, but it's not always easy to find someone.
Have you tried any language exchange websites or apps? They can connect you with people who want to practice your language too.
Yes, I've tried a few. It's a great way to find real conversations.
I'm glad we connected here. It's nice to practice with someone new.
Me too, Sam. It's a great feeling. So, Sam, how has your day been going so far?
My day has been good, thanks. I had some classes in the morning, and now I'm relaxing and talking with you. How about you?
My day has been busy. I had school, then some homework, but I'm happy to take a break and chat now.
That sounds like a full day. What's the weather like there today?
It's pretty hot and sunny here in Mumbai. It's summer now, so sometimes it's hard to study when it's so warm.
I know what you mean. Here in Toronto, it's starting to get cooler because autumn is coming. I love the colorful leaves this time of year.
That sounds beautiful. I wish I could see autumn leaves one day.
You should definitely visit Canada sometime. Maybe after we both get better at English.
Yes, that would be amazing. So tell me more about your studies. What do you like most about computer science?
I like solving problems and creating new things with code. It's like building your own little world. What about you? What's your favorite subject at school?
I really enjoy science because I like learning about how the world works. Math is sometimes hard, but I try my best.
That's great. Math is important for computer science too. Do you have any hobbies outside of studying?
Yes, I love drawing and painting. It helps me relax after a busy day.
Wow, that's cool. I wish I could draw. I mostly spend my free time playing football or watching movies.
Do you have a favorite movie?
I like action movies, especially superhero films. What about you?
I like romantic comedies and animated films. They're fun and make me laugh.
Nice. Watching movies is a good way to practice English, too.
Yes, I try to watch with subtitles first, then without them to test myself. So, Sam, what made you decide to learn English?
Well, I think English is important for my studies and future job. Also, I want to travel and meet people from different countries.
I feel the same. English helps me talk to more people online and learn new things.
Do you practice speaking English often?
I try, but it's hard to find someone to speak with. Most of the time, I practice by listening to English songs or watching videos.
Yes, listening helps a lot. I also try to read English books and write small stories.
That's impressive. Writing stories is a great way to improve.
But sometimes I get nervous speaking. I worry about making mistakes.
Me too, but I'm learning that making mistakes is part of learning.
Exactly. We should practice speaking even if it's not perfect.
Do you use any apps or websites to practice speaking?
Yes, I use language exchange apps to talk with people from around the world. It's fun and helpful.
I tried one too. It's great because you can practice real conversations.
Have you ever felt frustrated while learning English?
Yes, sometimes I feel stuck and don't know how to improve, but then I watch YouTube videos or join online groups to stay motivated.
That's smart. Staying motivated is important.
Do you have any advice for learners who want to improve speaking skills?
I think speaking every day, even for a few minutes, helps a lot. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just keep trying.
Great advice. I will try to practice more regularly.
Same here. Practicing with you today is already helping.
Thank you, Sam. It's nice to have someone to practice with. Sam, we talked a little about movies before. What's your all-time favorite movie?
That's a tough question. I think it's Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. I love the animation and story. What about you?
I really like Frozen. The songs are so catchy, and I enjoy the story of sisterhood.
Frozen is a great movie. Do you like music too?
Yes, I listen to a lot of pop music. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift. How about you?
I like different kinds of music, but mostly hip-hop and rap. It helps me feel energetic.
That's cool. Do you play any musical instruments?
No, but I want to learn the guitar one day. What about you?
I can play the piano a little. It's relaxing after a busy day.
Nice. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I like fantasy stories with magic and adventure. What's your favorite book?
I enjoy science fiction, especially stories about space and future technology.
That sounds exciting. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go?
I would love to visit Japan. The culture and technology fascinate me. What about you?
I want to visit Paris someday to see the Eiffel Tower and try French food.
Both places sound amazing. Traveling is a great way to practice English, too.
Yes, meeting new people and hearing different accents is interesting.
I hope we both get to travel soon, after we improve our English.
Me too. Until then, we can keep practicing like this. Well, Sam, it's been really nice talking with you today.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation a lot. Thank you for practicing English with me.
You're welcome. I think talking like this helps both of us get better.
Definitely. I hope we can talk again soon.
Me too. Maybe next time we can talk about food or festivals.
That sounds great. I'm looking forward to it.
Before we end, do you have any questions for me?
Not right now. Thanks for being such a good conversation partner.
Thank you, Sam. I'll see you soon. Have a great day.
You too, Neha. Bye.
Bye. And that's it. Our full phone call in English. You just practiced real conversation, just like people do when meeting online for the first time. I hope you enjoyed it. Now it's your turn. First, listen carefully, then pause the video and speak out loud, just like we did. Repeat the conversation at least 3 times, and you'll feel more confident and natural every time. This was day 7, the last day of our shadowing practice series. We've practiced how to talk about daily life, texting, hobbies, and having simple, friendly conversations. If you missed any of the previous days, go check them out after this video. And before you go, tap subscribe, hit the like button, and follow Toon Talk English for more fun and real English speaking practice. Thanks so much for joining me on this 7-day journey. I'm proud of you, and I hope you're proud of yourself too. This is Neha, signing off, but I'll see you very soon with more videos to help you speak English with confidence. Till then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep growing.